Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve emulated on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve emulated on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So if it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find your update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.